This single sentence can shape whether your app idea takes off or remains just an unused file on your drive. Many developers prioritize the code above all else, but that's not the key at the start. The way you communicate your product's value matters more, especially early on. If you can't convey it clearly and simply, it won't draw anyone in. Today, we'll build the precise words that make people interested before it exists. To do this, we won't begin with the feature. Instead, we'll focus on who and why and create a clear customer avatar. Since staying theoretical about concepts hasn't made anyone money, let's use a real world example from my employee scheduling app. Imagine Maria, the manager of a busy city supermarket, a really complex scheduling context. The key here is that the principles we'll use for Maria would work just as well if she managed a gym or a retail shop. What's her main daily challenge? First, starting each morning with sudden sick calls and absences. Second, spending at least 30 minutes sorting out a complex scheduling issue. And third, managing various rules, employee skills, overtime, shift preferences. This ongoing frustration is what we're addressing. Every part of our copy should connect directly to easing this problem. Now we transform the problem into a clear promise. This forms our central one-sentence pitch. The approach is straightforward. We help a specific customer achieve a desired outcome. For Maria, dealing with scheduling difficulties. The promise is to return her time and reduce that daily strain. This leads us to our core sentence. We automate staff scheduling for busy managers, giving you back 30 minutes each day. This sentence is the base. It's direct, specific, and centered on the benefit. Think of it as the outcome people would want, not the tool itself. Say it aloud. Does it resonate? Adjust until it does. This alone can help confirm if your idea has potential. Now, let's use our core sentence as the blueprint to build your core message. These are the three key elements you need to define first: your headline, your subheadline, and your main arguments. Let's start with the main headline. This is your strongest promise. We could start with our core sentence, but it's not punchy enough. So we first refine it into a direct benefit like reclaim 10 plus hours a month from scheduling tasks. That's better, but to make it great, we run it through a quick test. Ask yourself 3 questions. Can a reader visualize it? Can they falsify it? And is it unique so no one else can claim it? Our reclaim 10 plus hours headline is specific, but it isn't very visual or unique. To fix that, we connect it to a tangible, real-world action. What's something fast that everyone understands and shop managers love? Brewing coffee. That simple thought transforms our headline into something truly powerful. Schedule your shop while brewing coffee. It's visual, it implies a specific time frame of just a few minutes, and it's incredibly unique. Next is the subheadline. This is crucial because it adds the essential context that backs up your headline's bold claim. It explains what the product is and who it's for, keeping the reader engaged. For example, the straightforward app that builds a perfect, class-free schedule for your shop in the time it takes to make a coffee. Now for your core arguments. These form the body copy where you paint the full picture of the pain and transformation. Start with a vivid story of the chaos, like dreaded Excel sheets flooded with scattered requests. Then pivot to how your app solves it. From here, express your foundational pillars as strong, benefit-driven bullet points. Let's build those 3 pillars now. First, save 10 plus hours every month. Our intelligent algorithm automatically builds a balanced schedule based on your rules and your team's availability. What used to take 30 minutes every day now takes minutes. Second, end the communication chaos. All time off and shift swap requests happen in one simple app. No more late night texts or forgotten requests. Just clear, organized communication. And third, build a happier, more reliable team. When the schedule is fair and employees have the power to easily manage their shifts, morale improves and no-shows decrease. Remember, adjust the length and detail depending on your platform. Landing pages can afford more depth for engaged visitors, while social media posts need shorter, punchier versions to match shorter attention spans and grab quick leads. This keeps everything aligned and builds credibility. Now it's your turn to apply this. Write your core sentence and work on the remaining structure of the blueprint. This messaging is a starting point, but it needs testing. How do we check if it connects with actual people? In the next video, we cover step 2, market research. We put this copy in front of others and refine based on feedback. See you in the next video.